How to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to delete Reel history on Facebook. So in that case, go ahead and open up a login into your account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Now this method would be a convenient way if you're using a web browser or a desktop version. And now when you're on this page, go ahead and tap the tab bar icon and go to settings. After you're on the settings page, over here scroll down a bit and you could go ahead and locate the following option that says activity log. When you're on this page, you could go ahead and select the activity accordingly or categorize it, or you could just go to activity history, and from here you could go ahead and delete all of the information or all of the activity that you've done. So click the trash button. You need to go ahead and select it, press on it and tap on the trash button, and your activity will be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Reel history on Facebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.